Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 25th of August 2025, and today I'll be covering my weekly prediction for gold, that is XAU USD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where I'll review last video's prediction and this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis and take your own predictions, because this video is entirely educational. So with that out of the way, let's get into this video. So monthly charts, we can see, gold's had a massive run up. It's an inflation hedge, but we can see for the past 5 months, it's been in a sort of sideways pattern. I've drawn this out. It'll become much more clear when we zoom in the weekly and daily charts. But yeah, this is sort of the range we're looking at right now. We see it's extremely overbought, but the MACD is positive. This is great, but we do have to keep in mind gold is a historic inflation hedge, and and considering that core inflation is expected to increase, gold is always going to be that sort of appreciating asset, at least for now, right? So this is where we are right now. Price hasn't really moved significantly in either direction. We see volume is starting to take a dive, and the MACD has turned negative, and so has the RSI. So this may be actually an indication that at least in the medium term, price may be taking a dive for gold, but again, we do need a breakout from this consolidation to sort of have any proof or any basis for that. And that's what we're waiting for exactly. We're waiting for a breakout. And again, same idea with the daily charts. We see this consolidation. In fact, it's so sideways you could actually draw another entire rectangle in here, which is like a sub-consolidation that's been happening. So we see the MACD has been sort of oscillating. It's not exactly, this telltale sign. RSI is pretty sideways. It's sideways as well. So across the board, we have sort of stagnant signals, and we do need a more concrete sort of price action to be able to make a call. So this week we'll buy gold if it crosses 3,408.91 and sell if it falls below 3,305.17 with a target of 2%, trailing stop loss of 1%, and if neither hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are sideways. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.